What's up, sis? This is your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. And this unit is from My First Wigs. So in the box, it comes a lot of extra goodies and whatnot. And if you haven't heard of My First Wigs, this is basically a company that'll give you everything that you'll need for your first wig and wig install. So this was their, I think their fourth anniversary collection. So I had got a few extra things I feel like inside of the box because I have reviewed for them before and I didn't get as much as I did this time. So we got a lot of wig caps, we got the edge swooper, and we got some conditioner, and then we got like a travel kit, and it has like bobby pins, just everyday essentials that you would need for your wig and or slash hair. So the actual wig comes in like this like travel bag. I don't know if you've ever traveled with like a suit or just, I don't know, I feel like for like older people they always put their like luggage in like this zip up thing. That's kind of like what this is before a wig. So the actual wig is 12 inches. It's a Yaki texture. Lace color is a light brown. There is 6-inch parting space. And the hair color is a natural color, sis. This is an actual lace front, but they do offer full lace wigs also if that's what you are looking for. So since this is a Yaki texture, it's not going to be super silky, and this will definitely match African American hair textures way more easier. Not easier, it's easier the word that I'm looking for. Way more better than like a silky, you know what I'm saying, kind of unit, kind of moment. So I wanted to do two different styles. So one of the styles is going to be a half up, half down, and then the other style is going to be just it all straight down. And as you can see, the hairline is already pre-plucked. There are pre-bleached knots, the whole 9. So she is very beginner friendly because that's what they specialize in. Got our first style done. I just wanted to show you the inside of the cap. So as you can see, we do got pre-bleached knots. There's a comb in the back and adjustable strap, and then also combs on the side. I would recommend when you are cutting your lace, you do like a zigzaggy kind of motion instead of a straight across line, because it'll melt in with your skin better. But as you can see, the lace is pretty transparent and it matches with my skin tone. Super cute, because I've gotten wigs that, you know, the lace didn't really match and I will have to tint it, and it's just like extra work that no one really wants to do. So this lace was pretty good, love that. And once the lace was cut, this is how she melted in, and this was before I even glued her down. But the hairline looks really, really good, really natural, and this is perfect For beginners, I can't stress that enough, because plucking and bleaching a hairline, I swear, is like a skill that'll take you like a little minute to master. So the fact that this is already done for you is amazing. And then here I just took the ponytail out because I wanted to show you how it looks straight down. Again, this is a Yaki texture, so it is not going to be as shiny as a silky straight, not shiny, but like, I guess, yeah, shiny is the word. It's just a more natural appearance, especially for African Americans, because, you know, it'll just match our hair better. This is the finished look on the wig. If you did want to pick her up, everything on Sis is going to be in the description box down below. If you did pick this wig up, please let them know that Kiamani sent you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.